Hi friends, good morning one all. Today we are going to discuss about the some more chemical properties of carbonyl compounds. In those carbonyl compounds, today we are going to discuss about the Cannizzaro reaction and aldol condensation reaction. Here, the 2 moles of aldehydes without alpha hydrogens on reaction with alkali undergoes self oxidation and reduction to form corresponding carboxylic acid and primary alcohols. Here, this is the uh, this is the 2 moles of aldehydes without alpha hydrogens. Without alpha hydrogens, this formaldehyde doesn't have alpha hydrogens, and these 2 moles of without alpha hydrogens of aldehydes on reaction with alkali undergo self oxidation and reduction to form one molecule is carboxylic acid and another molecule is primary alcohol. This is a simple reaction. I will see another reaction also and then mechanism. Here the PHCOH is a benzaldehyde, one molecule of benzaldehyde plus another molecule of benzaldehyde. When you react with alkali to gives benzoic acid plus benzyl alcohol, primary alcohol. Here the reaction mechanism. We will see mechanism of this reaction. Here benzaldehyde react with alkali. Here this hydroxide ion can attack at this carbon, and here this bond is shifted towards oxygen and to gives alkoxide ion here, and shifting of hydride ion is taking place from one molecule to another molecule. Here hydride, this negative charge turned towards this carbon and form double bonds, and this hydride ion H minus is shifted to another molecule. Here the hydride ion shifting is taking place from one molecule to another molecule, and it gives PHCOOH plus PHCO minus H2. Now here the H plus is shifting of hydride ion is taking place from this carboxylic acid to this alcohol, and PHCOO minus plus PHCH2OH. Now reaction with proton to gives carboxylic acid PHCOOH. See here friends, once again I am repeating. Here the 2 moles of aldehydes without alpha hydrogen on reaction with alkali undergo self oxidation and self reduction to form corresponding carboxylic acid and primary alcohol. Here for example, here this is a benzaldehyde. Here there is no alpha hydrogen. This is also another molecules of benzaldehyde. Here both are without alpha hydrogen on reaction with alkali to gives corresponding carboxylic acid and primary alcohol after self oxidation and self reduction. Here when we see reaction mechanism, here this benzaldehyde, when we react with alkali, this hydroxide ion can attack on this carbon, and this oxygen acquired negative charge and phenol oxide ion is obtained. So here by losing here the hydride shifting is taking place from one molecule to another molecules. Here this hydride ion shifting is taking place from this carbon to this carbon, and this molecule get carboxylic acid and this molecule get phenoxide ion. Now here this hydrogen is shifted from this carboxylic acid to alcohol, and carboxylic ion is obtained. This carboxylic ion protonation to gives carboxylic acid and primary alcohol. This is about the Cannizzaro reaction. This is about the Cannizzaro reaction. We will see another reaction also. Some more examples for Cannizzaro reaction also. Two molecules of without alpha hydrogen neopentyl alcohol, pyvalic acid. Here this is a tertiary aldehyde without alpha hydrogen. Two molecules of tertiary aldehyde without alpha hydrogen when react with alcohol and undergo self oxidation and reduction to give pyvalic acid. One molecule is carbonic acid and another molecule is alcohol. Here again when we see another reaction also, here furfural, two molecules of furfural when we react with alkali and undergo self oxidation and reduction to give corresponding carboxylic acid and alcohol. Furfuric acid and furfuryl alcohol. Furfuryl alcohol. Feroic acid. So this is also example for the Cannizzaro reaction. Once again I am explaining, friends. Here the Cannizzaro reaction, 2 moles of aldehydes without alpha hydrogens on reaction with alcohol undergo self oxidation and reduction to gives corresponding carboxylic acid and alcohol. Here we will see an example. Here the benzaldehyde and another molecule of benzaldehyde. Here these two molecules when we react with alkali and self oxidation and self reduction to gives one molecule is carboxylic acid and another molecule is alcohol. Here this is the mechanism. Here this benzaldehyde when we react with hydroxide ion to gives phenoxide, alkoxide ion, and this alkoxide ion on losing one hydride ion, and the shifting of hydride ion from this molecule to another benzaldehyde is taking place and gives one molecule is carboxylic acid and another molecule is alkoxide ion. This alkoxide ion can attract proton from carboxylic acid and gives alcohol and carboxylic ion. This carboxylic ion reaction with proton to gives carboxylic acid. So this is about the Cannizzaro reaction. Now we see another reaction, that is aldol condensation reaction. Here the primary condition for Cannizzaro reaction is the 2 moles of molecules which is having no alpha hydrogens are primary condition for the reaction of Cannizzaro product. Okay, now coming to the aldol condensation reaction. Now, 2 moles of carbonyl compounds having at least one alpha hydrogen reaction with alkali to gives aldol, which is a beta hydroxycarbonyl compounds. On lasting water molecule, it gives alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds. Here we will see one example. Here the primary condition for the aldol condition is aldehydes which is having at least one alpha hydrogens on reaction with alkali to gives aldol product, and lasting one water molecule it gives alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds. Okay, now we will see one example. This is CH3COH. So this is aldehyde groups, this is alpha hydrogen. At least one alpha hydrogen is required for the aldol condition reaction. Alpha hydrogen, this is alpha position with respect to this aldehyde functional group, plus CH2 HCOH gives rise H3C CH OH beta hydroxy crotonaldehyde CH HCOH. This is the aldol product. By losing one water molecule here, alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound is obtained. CH3 CH double bond CH COH. By losing water molecule here, crotonaldehyde is obtained. This is the aldol conventional product. Here the two molecules of aldehydes, at least one alpha hydrogen is present on the aldehydes on reaction with alkali to gives aldols. By losing one water molecule here, alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound is obtained. This is the aldol conventional reaction. Now we will see mechanism. Mechanism of aldol conventional reaction. Here HCH2COH. This is the alpha carbon and this hydrogen is alpha hydrogens. When we react this alpha hydrogen with base here to gives carbon anion plus H2O. Here hydrogen is abstracted by hydroxide ion and to gives carbon anions. This carbon anion can react with another molecules of aldehyde CH2 minus COH. So this can attack to the other molecules of aldehydes to gives H3C O minus H CH2 COH. Then again when we react with H2O it gives H3C CH OH CH2 COH. This is aldol product. This is alpha beta hydroxy carbonyl compound is obtained. On losing one water molecule here, alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound is obtained. This is OH and H. On losing water molecule here we get H3C CH double bond CH COH. Alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds. So this is about the aldol condensation reaction. Once again I am repeating, friends. Here two molecules of aldehydes with at least one alpha hydrogen is present on those aldehydes on reaction with alkali to gives aldol products, and by losing one water molecule it gives alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds. Now we'll see the general reaction. This is the alpha position, and these hydrogens are alpha hydrogens. At least one alpha hydrogen having aldehydes, two molecules of aldehydes. When you react with alkali to gives aldol product, and by losing one water molecule gives alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds. This is cotinaldehyde is obtained here finally. Now this is mechanism. Here this is alpha hydrogens. These alpha hydrogens can be attracted or abstracted by hydroxide ion to gives carbon ion. This carbon ion can react with other molecules of aldehydes to gives this alkoxide ion, again react with water to gives beta hydroxy carbonyl compounds. By losing one water molecule, this beta hydroxy carbonyl compounds gives alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds. So this is about the chemical properties of carbonyl compounds and named reactions of Cannizzaro and aldol condensation reaction. So we will meet another class.